Enjoy the view of this 2018 Chevrolet Spark. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Have a little fun on your daily commute or errand runs. Get into the Spark and enjoy its smart, stylish efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, stability control, intermittent wipers, pass-through rear seat, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, variable speed intermittent wipers. You'll be light and bright in the sprightly Spark, the personal-sized car with a playful feel. Test drive it today.